slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Hello.
Mama? Mama? Papa?
Kazu, thank you. Message my WhatsApp number in my bio, guys. Okay. Hello, Raven Paidelia, Gigi Morna. Yes. Message my WhatsApp number in my bio. My WhatsApp number, guys, in my bio. Okay.
Bakit ang puti na singit mo? Zinozonro ka? Zonrox ba? Zonrox yung sabon. Imbis na bleaching soap, Zonrox, sapli niyan. Dinon, no? Dinon.
Wala na po, bigyan nyo nga kami.
Wala na guys, send gift. Send gift po, para may pamasahe. Ito na kasi guys, nasa dyan na namin.
Dami mo nang namuti, what's everything? Ay, tawa ako nung naaway ka lang namin. Ano ba ako?
Secret. Okay. Secret po. No?
Nope.
Eh.
Ito chika sa akin.
Gcash, bank account. Bank.
Ano daw mo kung try pa to? Ayun. Kanina.
Pinag-iisipan ko pa kung ipapost ko hindi. Kasi baka mamaya takaw mata. Parang abangan ako, hold upin ako, gano'n. Saka pag nagpo-post ako ng lugar, kunwari nasa ganitong lugar ako, hindi ko pinopost kapag nandun pa ako. Pupost ko pag wala na ako doon. Kasi baka mamaya puntahan na ako, gano'n. At least pag pinunta na, wala na ako doon. Gano'n. Saka di ako nagpo-post ng pera. Bukod sa uutangan ka, baka abangan ka pa, diba? Sabi niya, mo naman. Madaming stalker. Sobrang daming stalker.